With your expertise in mortgage-backed securities, a lot of rents aren't being paid. A lot of commercial real estate of every gradation isn't going to work out. There's all the loans and the fancy derivative instruments off the back of that. Are you troubled at all by a pending real estate crisis in the nation because rents are not being paid?
I would say that the residential picture is going to be 100% correlated to the job picture. So if we expect to continue to get America back to work and we can drive the true unemployment rate below 10%, we're likely not to have a housing market issue, whether on the price issue or whether on the rent issue. And so I think in terms of housing, we don't have oversupply like we had oversupply in 2007, and we don't have too much leverage in the system. We've kind of fixed the very, very high LTV loan situation, the interest-only loan situation. We don't have borrowers that are leveraged as they were before. We're really going to be dependent upon jobs. So I think if we continue to see jobs improve, we don't have a housing market issue. I do think in the commercial real estate market, there's a lot of adjustment that has to occur. There's going to be a decent amount of restructuring of loans. There's going to be some defaults, obviously, on the retail side. But if you look at the commercial real estate market, there's a big debate there. If we think that we're going to see a lot of companies move out of major hubs, major cities, and diversify their exposure, having a negative impact on commercial real estate. The other side of that is in a socially distant world, you're finding that companies are actually looking for more square footage to be able to bring workers back in a safe way. So we actually think that the commercial real estate market is one that still has a lot of opportunity. If we see reopening of the economy like the equity market is telling you, you ought to see stabilization in the commercial real estate market. And if you look in the world that we live in, not in the direct commercial real estate market, but in the commercial real estate securities market, we have not seen a significant recovery in pricing there. If we see the economy get back, like the equity market is telling you, we think there's going to be a lot of opportunity in some of the mezzanine securities and commercial mortgage-backed securities to be able to earn equity-like returns.